In this video, I show you how to fix unable to accept invite on Discord. So if you see this problem, first thing you want to do is make sure you turn off any VPN or proxy that you have turned on your phone. So if you have any external VPN applications, turn them off. And you can also go to the settings and then type in VPN. If you have any VPN turned on, just make sure to turn it off. Once you have done that, so right now I don't have any VPN. So once you have done that, make sure to go to Discord and make sure you're already logged in. So make sure your account is already here, and then once you have done that, you can go back and try join the Discord server. So let's say you want to join a Discord server from the browser or whatever. You can try to join. If you realize that you're still getting the same issue, then keep in mind some servers have a maximum number of members that can join. So if you're unable to join, maybe the maximum number have been reached. To make sure this is the issue, then what you want to do is try to join the server from a separate Discord account. So you can try to use one of your siblings' account or one of your friends' Discord account and try to join from their account. If you're able to join from a separate Discord account, then this most likely means your original Discord account is banned for whatever reason. But if you're not able to join from a separate Discord account, that means the Discord server is most likely full and you can't join unless other members leave. So I hope this helps you clarify and fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.